Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file crypto taxes. First, understand that selling, trading, or spending cryptocurrency are generally taxable events. You'll need to report these to the relevant tax authorities. It's crucial to distinguish between short-term and long-term capital gains, as they are taxed at different rates. Short-term gains apply to assets held for 1 year or less, while long-term gains are for assets held over 1 year. Next, you'll need to gather all your transaction data from Binance. Log into your account and find the transaction history section. Export your complete data, including all trades, deposits, withdrawals, and conversions. Download these as CSV files, ensuring you capture all relevant crypto activities. This comprehensive record is essential for accurate tax calculations and reporting. Now it's time to calculate your gains and losses. You can use specialized crypto tax software or a detailed spreadsheet. For each transaction, determine your cost basis, which is the original value of the asset plus any fees. Then, calculate the capital gain or loss by subtracting the cost basis from the selling price. This step is vital for accurate tax reporting. Finally, report your total capital gains and losses on the correct tax forms, such as Form 8949 and Schedule D in the United States. If your crypto activities are extensive or complex, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized advice. They can help ensure compliance and optimize your tax strategy. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.